Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing how to request a commission from artists. so let's do it. Okay, so we are in the natural habitat of artists, and to commission them you need to firstly approach them, but not very fast because they can be really um scared because they are artists, and yeah, um just approach them like like this. Okay, hello artist. Yeah, so you approach them very calm because they can sense being scared. So yeah, so you have to first you know get to know the artist. First you need to ask them, hello artist, I wanna commission your commissions, yeah, your art, I wanna commission. Very please, can I have some can I have your commission sheet, and they give you the commission sheet, and you see pricing and what they can draw and can't draw, because they can you know they don't like some things like not safe for works, or just some things that they are not really good at drawing. you know um artists can be artists can be really different from each other, because some can draw furry art, some can draw humans, some can draw YouTubers like me. So yeah, so I just approach the artist. What do? You first see the rules of the commission. If they say in the commission sheet that payment goes first, you pay first, because that's the rules. So yeah, also if you don't have money, don't commission artists. If you don't have money, why would you commission an artist? like why? Okay, so we can like say, hello artist, hello, and they are like, hello, and you are like, I wanna commission an art, and they are like, okay, what would you want me to draw? And you are like, okay, I want art of this and that, and I want background, or I don't want background, or so they are like, oh, okay, I can draw this, and they are calculating the money, how much money you have to pay, because some artists can be cheap from $10 to even 100 to $2,000 or 100, and it depends on the artist's art style, skills, and also equipment, and just hours they put it in the drawing. Okay, so they are like, okay, I want this kind of money, and you are like, okay, here is money, here, take the stack of money, stack of the money, here, take the money, take the money. You are very great artist, take the money, take the money. Take the money, artist. Take the money. Here, take the money. Buy yourself something really good. Oh my god, no. Okay, so you just bought an art, okay? And you are waiting for the art, and artist is making uh, They took the money, okay? Yeah. And they are making arts. They are making arts, yes? Yes. Okay. So they are making arts. Don't rush them because they don't like rushing. They can be really scared by rushing them. They are very scared creatures. We all know it. They are little potatoes. They are just the little potatoes. We love you, artists. We love you. Don't worry. So yeah, don't rush the artist. Like look at them. They are so cute. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Okay, so artists just draw like brrrr, they are making the hours of the work, the hard work they make, and they are like think, here is your art, and you are like, oh, thank you, artist. Zung, and here is your art. Okay, okay, thank you, thank you. Here is my art. Yes, yes, and just read the rules. If artists make an art, remember to credit them. Okay, remember to credit the artist. If they made commission for you, remember they are little potatoes. They need attention. They need attention and they need money. Tons of money. Money, 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 money. Yeah. So yeah, get the money out. Okay. Um so yeah, you got the art and you got he got the money. So we are all happy. Um Now there is a part not to do. Do not rush them and do not tell them that art is not worth it because art is very worth money and we all love money. You love money, I love money, they love money. Just look at them. They love money. They really love money. And some even go to college to and they have student debts or something like it and they need money from commissions or they are uh, I don't know um or they are like not very with money, so they need money to live, like really need the money. Give them the money, give them the whole money, give them the whole house, give them everything you owe, give them everything. Like they need it. They need money. Artist needs money, 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 money. Yeah, so yeah. I'm happy you learned how what to do when you want to request request oh my god, request an art from an artist. Oh my god. Request. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing. All right. Roll the credits, I guess. Here are credits. Yay! Welcome to credit section, where I credit the artist. Well, I drew it everything myself to the. Oh my god! This whole room, this whole room, this whole room. I made it myself. I drew it. I. Oh my god! No legs. So yeah, I drew it. I drew everything that here is here is in the video. So I hope you like it, and I hope you commission me and my artist friends. Um, wait. Mm, okay. So I'm so happy you gone to the end of the video, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you for watching, and just have a nice day. Okay, goodbye.